Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now.
Burke and his crew came out to my home and did an amazing job. Not one hiccup during my entire experience. He came out to measure for a quote, set a date, and the job was knocked out faster than expected. Blew my expectations out of the water. I deal with contractors all the time, and this was by far my best experience. Would highly recommend to anyone looking for anything roofing related. 10 stars.
But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.